Joseph Kennedy sending message on show say Obi and Yajipa. And I'm saying they Obi or Real Madrid knows who them Obi Chelsea ni kakra. Because it's Obi say Chelsea no Obi ni je ho. In fact oh kakra. Say no ni Mourinho nyina na ho. Na and the Real Madrid so say na Chelsea anya Real Madrid ho. Their feed I had gone and I so they wow cause us all for myself.
Oh why not no dear say AC num call Drogba num call no never say
so many Obi.
Oh, but
next year Drogba num call no me Africans intra.
No correct.
Now say Jordan you will get a new. Oh, or Crystal Palace.
Crystal Palace the another. Any genu.
Okay you yati. To ba me or you African. Yeah. Gaboni or boss. I know the ones of what.
Nicolas Pepe so.
Nicolas Pepe so you have the
Thomas Partey.
All the guy the baby too.
Thomas Partey so you get any. You crowd the other care crowd and support here. Oh we are see. Christian Bogodier.
Chama nyame adom boko.
Yada yamiasi.
Ya tenasi anope na chamu patuma menya ntie se ukọ Ashtown kunadu yadom school mo there's this barbering shop NY barbering shop
NY okay
so on fashion in Niagara
oh NY yeah chiafa
ofili crew no to the stand say was Sundays wonya adwuma into Sundays crew say any member person unity I am friend obebe fia be yiti
oh okay yada
free of charge
yada
obeti my abuwa crew na
NY thanks so
NY barbering shop Ashtown kunadu yadom school na so na NY wa
oh NY
so di achi sa baby mevu bimbiara oni movie into that NY so ase
NY da wase okay na Obi
yeah chairman
and not there for him
oh not there who say mra no coin teacher with their short
short okay
oh say oman mu ha ye wo Pragia and then a Pragia na ya omo de fani pa no nti Pragia de obi ani Pragia wo Ghana na manya adwuma mo sana ukọ oman e friend no Sri Lanka Pragia no omo de ball tournament yam fan say Baba Sports Stadium na Omagada Pragiano be 12 Pragiano miensa na wa akwai say so ni chama oni polo
I say
agro na ball no kitwa bi by now te ponkoso
na mo ball
fantastic now before 2016 no sa agro we no na omotena osono so e na omobo yes polo no ball kitwa na wanya dia I say golf nyoma ya bi ba no oti bibi so oti ponkoso ana oti osono so e na osono no ode otene so a ode bo na wakohye o go na ukọ wanim na around 2007 sorry ana osono baako eti chain ana chese owura nipa nim ese amount forecast ne sa no so ene osono no yenyisu omu biom ye de Pragia ene beye chairman ejare my live on Facebook Pragia game your friend tuk into a pass ball no 3 ball no referee na general center no ball na da ho no into green for no one o driver now team now ball into driver no try say funny say into a pass ball no na mu chase ball no na Pragia no into this time no Pragia no mo de pay my man for private cars no as say into chama here o shego go na chese enti we are saying some we are see enti there were 3 players per team enti o say from this video green for na afeni a pass ball no enti green for no na obi eba red for no so beba unso mu free chire so ba enti ball no na dan fifini no na red ni na ball enti we say enti defender na we chire no
na man for the 2
big game o chairman enye game o mu di agbo Sri Lanka ho a big game chese enya tournament kitwa ho into o person o twen wo say o ma driver no turn into driver no so no wo say no collaboration na hu say ball no ha yenko take ni say into mo half time first half 7 minutes na ma ko half time 50 minutes na ma bu fuel kakra gu Pragia nim na mo change wo into nya nipa ba ko na obetwi Pragia no sa e was also sound driver no now also sound Pragia maybe you the machine bia shemu a e manico speed into also position for no e bet na wo die nim now also cut na mu die nim ne hu so Pragia no e normal na chese watumi akọ opportunity for 3 changes so driver no anade obo ade modern mon so ni awo coach no wa kire say masa film na we so emrem na che say bibia so entumi enkoni and ade interest
we no almost asano
oh enya small tournament o chairman enya groketo e koso Sri Lanka hono na ade hu ni say who you overtaking na yen far left I was so far right of the car. When we not nipa no obo ade ono ahu say obi overtake me nti mpempi no mfa nti ye nuano mo twi pragia e wo Ghana ha no me share mu say me National Sports Authority beka na baba sports stadium kra na ya organize bi na pragia no ya nya so emfaso na che say amanfo ofro no na ye sanso e de ye sports e wo mama nti Sri Lanka for agora omu say eye national games your friend tuk polio championship say ekoso e wo Sri Lanka eso eno no enti pragia no eso abeban faso aman e wo Ghana
ntinya maguyo de go twi man S55 550 ya papa ewie na so so toto atwede bia enti yenwa no mu twi pragia no
yeah
there's a spot for you enti we bia butia ba na de ko Sri Lanka na also go professor na we dey nyame kwa praga na emuna to
I say Rex wom say bo wa drive ball no on we no atwe no
we wa anya careful na nipa bia nipa boni ni wo di be shia ba
o driver no ye good dia o driver no ye good dia obe hawo nti o say o driver no ye very very good obetumi say maneuvering no ball no mo pe no ho tactics nkwa no mo ye wo hon because emu aye din amom nti aye game a o ko Sri Lanka enya small game crash say amount for any edging ho ewo omaining
wow eti and the video of the day no the game event say tuk
yes TUK tuk polio championship
yes eti no obi the video of the day so no Christian where the Ghana ha you tell there where any yenya dey
near bedding pa now the cost of sell autofu and group machine may asem getwa
say o say team bia ona
anti so
that auto had 10 the group was
how many minutes
7 minutes first half
okay.
7 minutes second half
14 minutes
14
minutes be 20 Ghana be
ba me wan ko po bi onim twi pa wan ho bo
na osin gu for
onu nyina na gbura
and the game no it's more about the driver than the player as a driver no should be very much competent so bitima handle practice no
yeah
so onim twi a wan ga onim
we say come the people be so betia ni
say driver ni nim twi a onim bo se dia enkosiaga say driver ni bi onim praja ni twi Ghana so the praja ni mum ni twi ni bebre ha pa o among for nim praja ni twi pa it's a very good driver now supporting you are
level billions I say obi pa not in Kumasi Stadium even the when we play with our foot we cannot maintain the pitch not more of pragia not talk of pragia anyway I don't know see a video of the day in for you they are Bremo live on Pure 95.7 and so I don't know na Yamram no nsam no Christian memra also as abobio for the sake of time into mumie no bia for 5 minutes 5 minutes
Man City share West Brom can moment me anti but chairman onim say ye hwe season we ya Europe nyina top 5 leagues na ye bo Europe no team a consider goals with fee pa not just in England o you think obia ho nya din kwana kenya ni fia but be a West Brom this season we omo ho achi omo pa ye fie because games omo bo fie no 10 games o fie na West Brom abo this season no chairman omo consider 29 goals and that is too outrageous again him say sabi okwa abonten nka untimi mobo abonten obafia ye boliga obia calculation na wodi fie enetimi calculation there because fie there anya hwe kura no points ni de obetimi age but omo de kwa we ye ba obafia na ne mbodi bono kwa na ekofom enei se ohwe omo goal difference o Premier League no mu a Premier League no team one goal difference the West this season West Brom goal difference of -33 know adeba ko how especially me share omo last 5 games omo bo fie so obo game fie omo last 5 games fie no omo concede 22 goals in the last 5 games are all bo fie Ebi see that make the last time one team be concede 3 or more goals in 5 consecutive home matches me checking no in 1978 that was Chelsea. And at Chelsea about 5 home games 5 home games now Chelsea boy you know or concede 3 or more goals of 5 games all both here net waso. And the West Brom the last 5 games all both you know one concede krano then 3. The last 5 no were considered 22 and that is the problem for West Bromwich Albion going into this season. But Man City there I never come any agent say we team na say umodemo nsoania Man City na former they will punish you. And Man City both game without Kevin De Bruyne, no Sergio Kunagero, no Gabriel Jesus, no a proper center forward. Now Man City say e shey num. Now on the chairman na me catch your last week say team bia enya form at the time my team buano once Man City form no time na omanya form no time a ehia pa
and mo bia say wa home league no
yes crucial moment of the season and Man City enya form ya say omo lead the English Premier League yeah sure Man City enya 11th straight win say games ye bonkwa no toaso mako 11 Man City elusubi. Even Man City one kasankwa no me check the last time Man City ebo 11 games win 11 games in 2 as chairman 2017. So from 2017 no Man City emo 11 games and win 11 games in 2 as that. And for the first time since 2017 Man City win 11 games omo lead the English Premier League. The Man City game no quite interesting. When I say when Man City ni say the same West Brom team no about 1-1 away Etihad. The same West Brom team na and then Man City go away. E ko share 5-0 no. In the first round no, the same West Brom about Etihad and Man City about 1-1. In fact, the same West Brom team no, and Manchester United no about 1-1. So you are talking about a team where Otimi edgy results from Man City, edgy results from Manchester United, and a Man City go away ko to one was the sa kanuma one team and TB. There be idea will be taken say adeba ko a league able Europe no aye come on say a too unpredictable. Man City in the lead Premier League table no at this moment. Where the 9th time a starting season way set team be lead the English Premier League at any point in time. Etene team be lead at a point in time me so say Leicester at top table ne paying. Tottenham Hotspur at top paying, Liverpool at top paying, Manchester at top paying, and Man City at top paying. In fact, the 9 different times team be top the English Premier League table no Man City. But for Man City, it's only the first time where boss season we are Man City able lead the English Premier League now. I think say Emma Premier League we no so difficult to call. They say menka the last time a season na 9 different teams and they're topping the Premier League no at any point in time. The last time I made check 86 87 and at any point in time no Yebo League no yenya 9 different times na team be there occupy the top of the Premier League table. And for the first time Man City top the Premier League table no I think some people should take them serious. Because yesterday season na nkoye Man City no obiaka said this season the Man City in Premier League table no. But for Man City say obo a league, obo a game against a team or any ball 1-1 away Etihad. Na Man City able without a proper center forward. No Gabriel Jesus, no Sergio Kunagero. And for Man City to score 5 against such a team, Man City any results when it matters most. But I can't say Man City team no. In fact, quite obvious Bibia pass it through Kevin De Bruyne. So the question will be able to say Kevin De Bruyne a planner all call out no. A day bet me to Manchester City. In fact, I'm on focus say Manchester United bet me the Premier League now. Barely because Kevin De Bruyne a prakono. But chairman Kevin De Bruyne a brother all kono. Na Ike Gundogan take the center stage. On him say Ike Gundogan or start say obobo nyina or more 7 goals in the season da. Say on one kasa the best career. So started football na ebo a whole season. Na a season no or no ebo 7 or more goals in a season. Season where ye gusu ayebo. Afinabo probably half of the season. Now even half of the season no a branch friend Ike Gundogan as 7 goals. Which means probably no young season no bia no nya double figures. It no me sure say Pep Guardiola Francia all dream home na me betimi atono no abra Kevin De Bruyne epra ontimi mesia kan no. The main question is who replaces Kevin De Bruyne. But I think the form now K Gundogan Edema Man City just say in a more advanced role. Say Kevin De Bruyne new home na Ike Gundogan eboa the returns odema Man City no me sure say one share Man City entimi fake Kevin De Bruyne that match because Kevin De Bruyne no Ike Gundogan juma the man but the most important thing is say Man City for me their form at the time when it needed most.
Of course it matters most. Obi quick one also.
Mami, just a bit on Man City there. Yes, Ilkay Gundogan is doing so well, but one can see logo or share. Ilkay Gundogan was fantastic, but on midfielders no Phil Foden, Mahrez, Mikhail, Raheem Sterling. Obia ni position wo ball nim say me na me bottom me na me bo 8 obia gina bia ama say City side no this obe pinpoint say I'm going to mark this player very very difficult and I'm just hoping say injuries ne COVID-19 wonsem no how mu bebre no mu ebetumi akoma ni say no who say there's proper balance. John Stones, Ruben Dias your majuma was central midfield your majuma was center back position no Cancelo born home modern as an inverted right back. Uba midfield obenya Rodri ni Ilkay. No akwa nim ho no anya Raheem Sterling ni Mahrez. It's a complete package and it's Bonibe says it's getting a bit scary. Some Man City for nya mu form ni say dia na che say Haji West Brom there Samala da sem some besan pam ni biom. So why do you sack Slaven Bilic? Because in 8 games and look and you're surprising Man City results in row nya and you're surprised because this is a West Brom side what Sneffield lose 3-0 to Leicester, 5-1 to Crystal Palace, 1-0 to Spurs, 3-0 to Aston Villa, 5-0 to Leeds, and 4-0 to Arsenal. Into few there, 8 games as Sam Allardyce we're winning just one and one draw back. Opinino say football na also jai na okodwe no na ohwese ne abesi akọ yen check it team my friend Arsenal so result since the 26th of December 3-1 Chelsea 1-0 Brighton 4-0 against West Brom 0-0 Palace 3-0 against Newcastle and St Mary's omunya 3-1 especially without Aubameyang. So Aubameyang knew na mutu and again one Arsenal have 42% of possession, 5 shots on target. Omni Southampton have 5 shots on target too. And Abako share 3-1. In an indication say Arsenal were far more efficient in front of goal. And then Emil Smith Rowe no Sanchez said, look, Odegaard, I feel part me who Odegaard in natural Odegaard no my bottom. Or Baba yi Pepe free ho. Nicolas Pepe. Of course, first goal ni by Nicolas Pepe na take ano. And who say Pepe no na eso ni anisa. But Bukayo Saka ne Smith Rowe no. Mo bomber team my friend Arsenal no. Dear so and I'm pretty sure say against Benfica in the Europa League Arsenal I'm not too sure say Arsenal bet in Europa League you know, but I'm sure say the target is to play in Champions League. That's where Arsenal belongs. And he said Arsenal bobo Europe there be a Champions League football club and utunu say ampa emrantia no modern their friend progress no economy like Lacazette swatch said number 9 role no ono na was obo o share against o share the contribution. Of course the third goal was a mere tap in but the general contribution to play no was fear Firmino ball ne bokakra interest to me drop it back a person you know in terms of combination play and Thomas Partey seriously makes Arsenal take our midfield. Partey ball no one touch pass no crowd na me fe no ball no nya nu no hokra no to be say onim ba bia ball ne ko and there's a Partey so to the form ni so say ya Bible so me atwa mi not just say Arsenal first goal dia na say Arsenal will lose match no but Mrante who say almost have confidence no mo dey ball na who say den Arsenal ebetumi amane modemo no asoni luckily Odegaard aye ne medical oba be si akama Arsenal boboko no as a Madridista that's where a bit of connection and I'm a bit worried same collab say Odegaard Brahim Diaz Dani Ceballos Luka Jovic Theo Hernandez Mayoral Hakimi Al-Sharaf Sergio Reguilon omu nyina Zidane aton kwalai and untina one sha Florentino Perez ebe pam no akofa Julian Nagelsmann every Leipzig show bit say Vinicius show Federico Valverde Rodrigo Gals Mrante we grab form no so aba form Zidane on mpanyimfo na ye adwuma na kama na so sani odin kwala ni be wurem no and na ye major challenge and I'm looking forward say Odegaard any Hector Bellerin partnership on the right Nwanya Smith Rowe number 10, Aubameyang on the left, Lacazette Elidi,
but special mention to Cedric Suarez,
amazing chap.
Pass now the third goal.
Yes, the third goal. Yes.
Long pass.
Yes. Honestly, one guy consistently, or proving me wrong. And Arsenal a free bottom half nim, omehura upper half nim. Yeah, Arsenal ebet me more than mono ebet me, but it was a great win, especially there's a Southampton sider or share win the FA Cup. Arsenal are defending champions there. Not just a hard and to regain the confidence of St. Mary's, amazing. And that Chelsea ball, no, yeah, share ni musa in Sisanyo Kakrabebem. The entire Pam Frank Lampard, Timo Werner, Kai Havertz, Sikai de Tom Rantier, Impuntu Obiamaye. Oh, yeah, Chelsea ball now. Just say, there's no plan, there's no structure, and especially game one. Openina mu Roman Abramovich, a Chelsea in Leicester, and it's Brendan Rodgers, Mrante, no Messia Shomo, Chelsea Mrante, no, Edna Park, no so mu Moyeno. Yeah, share ni musa Thomas Tuchel, ebeye, dear Suno, and dear a chain, dear Frank Lampard, to me a year, no crack, and it's na players to be so omne Frank Lampard in termno, na and Shedan Ubebre, Obiti Kepa, Rudy Gano, Mrante, especially Marcos Alonso mono, Omo no bench no, not just say how mo pass opinion den kwalani bo, any afufro no ma ba no odi mobile results no, so it's important say Tuchel ebe establishes our relationship with the players because and also and also your one reason on paying for at the palm opinion friend Frank Lampard and the biom players ni complain he said Frank Lampard did not touchline wa more instructions bia just say and one is original hot to not tactics no and sheda emfa so and money mu ya idea ye hu bibiri soronko but ye be hu especially with player bi say Kai Havertz so who be say omo no mota hwe Leverkusen ball a season ago under Peter Bosch no mo bought a 3-4-3 formation on board number 10 for me into me sure say Tuchel ne Peter Bosch and now ne Leverkusen penny for dinkomo as to the best way of playing a branch friend Kai Havertz ebiem or a German onim Timo Werner onim baby I was bono e ma branch so the results no to me eba minim say nano Mason Mount Billy Glamor Tammy Abraham mrantie we mu no e be din kakra because omo papa ko inti afen inti nano ye ba be Chelsea no send almost starting 11 be see because under Frank Lampard ni Chelsea starting 11 and of course Tuchel no oni Pulisic ejuma oni Thiago Silva ejuma oni Rudiger dada inti se sia ne de Champions League football na Chelsea for of course about Champions League for until say maybe around 2024 European Super League no be chance no me sure so bien say the most lucrative tournament club football and a club football tournament no especially in Europe no the UEFA Champions League and when Chelsea be person omo ebewura but it's a game at a time and it's against a Nuno Espirito Santo side called Wolverhampton Wanderers and the man here who say Tuchel the next two games no Wolves and Burnley and games are a bet tested no pa and I'm sure say pressure crowd will Tuchel so because from Mainz to Dortmund to Paris Saint-Germain I think that Chelsea now man the platform to become a very successful manager and this is an opportunity for him the experience and all of that should count as far as our game way are concerned in fact na me bet no say na me no Aston Villa Burnley. But Brenner for Aston Villa win. But my both teams to score. Chelsea versus Wolves. Me call for Chelsea win. Brighton. Nadia Chelsea. In the first match. In the first match. Openina Sha. 2-2. Aseme Besino. Enya Sem Ketwa. Brighton Fulham. So both teams to score. United there. Wow. You are straight win against Sheffield. Mayado Rashford to score at any point in time. Everton versus Leicester, both teams to score. And Juventus versus Pal, Juventus win. But now Ibrahimovic Swaman Imrante says he from Waman say Imrante I am the passer and no pay Andy Deba say wapacho because Odi red card be say na Emma Inter Milan for Betitikana. Now we disappoint you teammates in Papa.
I know so much but I suspect bribery and corruption at Patasa this morning. how much did you pay Obi to get all these nice comments on us now? You are seeing who Matthew Ajensefa ask me. Why would you Matthew Hinkom? Na say your bono is speaking for us. Now, and David de la Madonnina, the quite unfortunate scene I see, you know, and overhead now to pay tabloids some more UK now. That Thompson revealed the fight to be king of Milan. Ibrahimovic's jibes over Lukaku's first touch and a poor partnership at Manchester United meant last night's X-rated derby fallout was always on the cards. And these two people played together at Manchester United. Now, Ibrahimovic kasa or katre Lukaku no anye Lukaku de say untimi kika de open chemisa so can you find the first touch so we go control na de we control ball we ball we ni ball control also ni ball control and okay say
Lukaku etimi control ball nicer obeman 500 euros.
Oh, what's a Lukaku control?
What this is Obi Kwa Odu Atama or the Ogamna Odu. Say, the control yet. Now, Adiano, Omuriam no sitting in Ano. Other said of me, or Heady, Lukaku Anusu ground. I second him behind. Oh, head Nanusu. And West Nanomu Yusumomo, quite sad. I mean, you're looking at top players of this level na omu and Ibrahimovic I say who had no can say go do your voodoo but whichever one can say we could go do your voodoo shit, you little donkey.
Oh wow.
I know na
assembly or dada
na assembly nyina nie assembly nyina nie February 2020, Emra David de la Madonnina, Inter Milan share AC Milan by 4-2. No, and then Lukaku go post you on Twitter. Say no, Tono. There's a new king in town. To Christian, Lukaku go post you on Twitter. Say there's a new king in town.
I don't know Lukaku.
Now Kaisa gave Lukaku action. That's how he called himself king. And in October, I think that was in October of the same last year, October. And AC Milan Tiromo. Now AC Milan share internal. And he's got to say Milano never had a king. They have a god. That's all. No Ibra. He's a god of Milan. I don't know say I did we
a fight over a territory.
Who owns Milan? They say but internationally I do my and saying it David Juve.
Yeah.
And over the AC Milan also.
Yes.
And 2 games another one was the Inter. Now everybody's got to take Inter serious, and Antonio Conte is doing a good job. I was saying I bought a basso, and so hold on. And I tell you, I know. I'm an answer. No, said is it here. Now, who said me can't say Chelsea match. Okay, anyway. Chelsea for no many anyu, but okay. Chelsea for them got some beche. All them got some beche. Now, me who draw. Oh, the Mimi Hundi as a draw. Okay, something got some say they be a machine. And Christian.
Chelsea for the say who call it Matimbi and Kui.
Oh, sign the Chelsea machine.
So I'm follow our call it game Matimbia team in your resource. No. They should even ask you to stay away from their games.
And your machine.
Because some better than there is some Belusu anon.
But Inter Milan has been good in winning big games. Canada I perfectly agree with you. Inter Milan I had their power. I say they are winning all the big games. This time over Inter Milan. Clearly, big games in the and your bomb so for Inter Milan fans like Fifi after Fifi go no kwani Inter Milan fan na minim no wiase o uni mo bi also what Inter Milan
Debbie apart from Uncle Fee I said one of supporting Inter Milan now was because of Muntalini Josie flew on Muna no Muna Ayra Omuno bi mtino Uncle Fee penny the only so surviving Inter Milan supporter will Krumasi. But I think that this season there, so we should take them serious. On numerous occasions, Inter Beba closer to the league, Ibiano, they seem to fizzle out. Ultima Juventus are Scudetto how many times? 9 consecutive times. 9 times. Obian challenge you. Me I think that only Germany and Omonia sa total dominance. One team total dominance. Yeah. And this is somebody should challenge Juventus because Juventus form the grand challenge papa. I quite on and off. So my Juventus are league with this their form there, then there's no challenge in Italy.
Okay. Obi unim Inter Milan fan be apart from Fifi.
Inter Milan, Inter. No. Inter. No.
I'm the come as me Fifi na heart. By Simland in Bebre.
Oh yeah, Bebre. Obama, Bushke.
Oh yes. Striker.
Yeah.
In Bebre.
Yeah, Simland supporters.
Okay. Okay, Emre na they say Asemba ko no so bani. You ba be hekọ to appeal na omo ye no me so obi wadi no achi kaka.
Yeah. Mpanyinfo fresh kotko mpanyinfo nya abotre kakra.
Mpanyinfo be na fresh.
F4. They all no.
F4 say kotko nya abotre.
Omunya abotre they have a case omunya abotre.
F4 be na fresh.
Oh. That's some no beba. Results beba. There's no clear pathway in terms of the player status committee in the decisions there. But Abrocheno, the player status committee take a decision is referred to the disciplinary committee. Then it becomes a decision of the disciplinary committee. Therefore, you have the opportunity to appeal through the appeals committee. But Ghana hani ni samrani biwaha. Enti kotokwaye na appeal no all right or the court. But say player status committee nankasa nshisheye says it's not up to the executive council per the player status committee nankasa regulations say omu hia bibi ebeboa ma omu dwumadi akoso a the executive council can put up something ebetumi aboa ama omu modemo no etumi akonanim. So that's the situation as far as Kotokoye concerned. Now in Kotoko's defense they say there are 2 windows in the Ghana Premier League. Inti you deregister in the first window, there's an opportunity to register you in the second window. Baby as na kofa. Until what the course you deregister wa. There's another window you can be registered. Until then na unya butre na untrain second window ni.
I don't think Martin as my catch Martin Enchinum ebi mo almost started training.
Yes.
Exam be resume training.
Yes, because the omo susu say in terms of dialogue in court defense no or the shame say players no omo di aba no omo ni omo di hu komo kra say here say because our level dialogue and be ashase of course obi aya we say and can you say drew pempen so we and drew some pempen so we no me I still believe say there's an opportunity to test the law and find out say the decision of player status committee no right. Now in the player status committee omo ruling no case omo yusu ye no omo cite signing on fee, but in the player's contract is enticement fee. In some no,
it's the same thing.
The same thing.
It's the same thing.
Same thing. Signing on fee and enticement
is the same thing.
Okay, say na no tina no.
It's the same thing.
Appeal ne cost no. Inti you better the difference between a signing on fee and an enticement fee. Ni nyina no enye same. Signing on fee and enticement fee. Yeah, 2 different way o. Inti I'm say the regulation for domestic transfers. Okay, article, let me get it right. Article 13 of the regulation for statutes and domestic transfer of players, terminating a contract with just cause. I remember on the screens and I'm in kind on my phone. So or say where it can be established that there is a just cause to do so in terms of termination. A contract may be terminated by either party, player or club, without consequences of any kind. Into where you could defense him.
That is either the payment of compensation or the imposition of sporting sanctions.
So when a contract is terminated on just cause, there are no ramifications. That's why I say it's an opportunity for us to test Ghana football statutes, any regulations, send you CTA. It will be an interesting case for lovers of the game, stakeholders, and you'll be it's not a case of Kotoko is right, the FA is wrong. No, but so Bisusu said, "Send your man kono." It was all my clearer understanding as to how termination of contracts and all of that would work. Unfortunately, FA no responded to Kumasi Asante Kotoko requests on the pathway as far as appeals for the player status committee are concerned. But there is no committee, even the High Court of the Republic. There's an opportunity for appeals and all of that. How much more a standing committee of an association? I was saying, Mrano, I was saying, now, of course, player status committee, the decision be appealable. So Kotoko FNR responded.
Okay. Yes, almost 3,000 for each player. That's what I'm getting.
About 12,000. 3,000, and that's the cost. That's why I think and can you see a do level way, and I'm sure say na I'm concerning the management. Say a normal case. Among cancer players resume training. They feel, you have to admit. Say I'm say dear no you can't buy no. Na any so share no hokakra. Into no. By now baby, and we have to question the decision of the player status committee. Decision can never be final. As far as my understanding of
all right, Arizi, or say Osremo, also Obi give the idea. I'm a true Inter Milan fan. If they pay me the thing you talk, no Inter Milan fan, how? I mean, because minimally one. I'm so now why two? Because African names Inter Milan fans in China also, whichever way. I can come call Kofi Manu Blue Boy for this argument. Emmanuel, if I think Kofi Manu Blue Boy, this Kofi Manu Blue Boy is on kind status to go on your Mokontogong. Now, Lawyer Savuduku cannot name legal affairs manager and also administrative manager. What's your thoughts on ASR in some way?
Well, the we judgment that you can get the other party. Maybe one side, and I said one party, both parties, that's not an issue. Because the player status committee at Nasia, before somebody take a decision, I'm referred to agreement both parties assign. Our terms in will say, we will say amazing, we will say amazing. So the issue is a different triggers are one party is over call, I could report to the other party. Be I said, in the Panama so I said, party no. Take this based on terms now when I do my assassin. They're very simple. The party be able and run visual. And the other side, I couldn't say on because no nations and Kata and say we in a deep, and I'm on two hombra. Naina, Bobusu.
Okay, I know lawyer Safuduku Esquire. Obi Waunya lawyer and also another Yiba say the legal side of this whole thing. Yansha, how are Santiago going to go approach it? Not Christian Apostle community.
And say Obi can about technicalities. But my bet me this technically start to change. Now you Mr. Santiago Kotoko, the amount of money they've been losing in returns time from fines in Kwa.
Because say from sober, Robert Sanyan said Kotoko are likely to be sanctioned by the FA.
Yes.
For Sarko, the musician Sarko, the visit to the dressing room. But no, woman say Mremu no, say per COVID-19 regulations on my Obiano. And you go so external person be a batim no. But na crocodile de don. Sa na home the teams in Yankamum mo bi antiaka premier fino. In the sense that COVID-19 test ama teams no. Any of them tifie, and on mobile. So my point is that test then for so be so. If you know what thing, that's buy a test before they play. It is a circle there about say okay, you be no there be external contact with the the Premier League players who sit in trot to training. Oh, the Christian Kawasem.
Chairman, sir, Sisi and Okaje say Kotoko, I make you appeal no. Omucha 3,000 Ghana cedis per each player, which means the 4 players no. Sisi ka Kotoko aboda ho Sisi ano 12,000 Ghana cedis. Now dear how many say for the past by 1 year, Kotoko acquire second time. Yeso nsugum. yeso nso no guma na afa to apie yeso nso no gu kenteni mu a na afa to apie the number of fines are Kotoko ya fine Asante Kotoko for the past by 1 year no yemi say won say could this have been avoided? The amount of money are draining down Asante Kotoko coffers through avoidable circumstances, you know, chairman, it must stop. Sami found quite the crana. Say Kaiman or Clote case, you know. And yet, and Profina Omun pay interest, and additional cost of Kotoko was almost $60,000.
I don't know. It didn't start yesterday.
And then this one is not by this management. Let's be fair to this management. I know what's some one year.
Yeah.
Clote case, you know, Kotoko is supposed to pay $180,000. Omontiano, a car but that's unquano $60,000. This could have been avoided. And Grofina so many from the money interest, the money is interest, you know, and Kotoko echo there. Additional $60,000 on top of $180,000. Onim say here na Kotoko ball Confederations Cup group stage no 2017-28 under Siki. Chairman so can say fine Kotoko. Kotoko jo musika group stage $275,000 new year no. Kotoko were fined by CAF $9,000. $9,000. See I say for non-compliance of the rules, you know, Kotoko supporters it to two so this could have been avoided. And I'm saying that guy also meet standard near a final Kotoko $4,000. Kotoko edgy $275,000, you know, you know, na calf at $9,000 every Kotoko sikem. This could have been avoided. And you know, sika one thing. Uko pesca ni betu contain moi no asa ma fasie na enyinu ko uko pesca ni betu contain moi na fasie na enyinu ko the number and amount of money Kotoko etia which could have avoided no chairman we need to have an issue and talk about it. Say enkai krana me kai say even 2020 see I find Kotoko 20,000 Ghana cedis for sporting behavior in the game against I think that was against Brekum Chelsea. Ubo game wie oni Brekum Chelsea abo game wie on sporting behavior ye wie no Kotoko 20,000 Ghana cedis 200 million. In fact players here won't come almost my bay 20,000 no getimi solve for players me issues can do this stage now ko game akwa wie game no kra no once nyeska ye wie no ni asai afa no 20,000 Ghana cedis. Chairman so unim say Coach Sika ko no de ebetwam ye wie ne si Coach Sika ko no Kotoko terminating the contract and a company for him. Ye no almost say Coach Sika ko no 27 months na aka no Kotoko entua ne bosu nya ketua bia ma no ye de enim kura no ye fa ne send Kotoko tua Sika ko no 70,000 Ghana cedis a month 7,000 Ghana cedis a month. Coach chairman what is 7,000 and multiply 27 months Kotoko etua 189,000 Ghana cedis as compensation to Coach Sika ko no ye wie no na Zacharias ndesu betwam Zacharias nso Kotoko esa ke no mana kono na Kotoko etua $12,425 only bag Ghana cedis that was 72,000 Ghana cedis 720 million to what 189,000 Ghana cedis for Sika kono the next coach buy no budget 72,000 Ghana cedis also can what they call this amount of money Kotoko lose no chairman. There must be proper view. Because it's becoming far too many. For the past by 1 year, Chairman, who's your funny team? Team bay.
As a funny team,
we're banning no, a players, a coaches. There must be, in fact, so I just better there are consequences you need to face. And I'm not gonna say Chelsea, SRK, Lampard, no, they will pay compensation. What time the player contractor, you have to face the consequences.
No, but in this case, the players terminated the contract.
No, because I say, but and our Costa's committee.
No, you say definitely. We are talking of termination of contract. Players no terminating contract.
Obi, let's not miss the point. Christian's point basically.
No, I get his point, but he's saying termination of contract, and in this case, it's the players who terminated the contract. Yeah.
Fine, Nye players nkwa asa kotoko so play the part in that. Enti nye players nkwa you also look at the other side.
You say no na
Enti ni nyina no ba based on the fact that Kotoko as a club should have a legal representative that will be there over time. Eni kwa say management bia ba no we ni lawyer. If Kotoko sees itself as big as they are supposed to be, any person signing money we nyina aba. Say ene Kotoko management and I make about board nyum failures. I think that is where the board did not do well. All Kotoko employees are supposed to be appointed or employed by the board. What you say? Then the CEO comes. They report the CEO all right, just like any corporate setting. It's Kotoko. It's a legal firm and as a legal ibina, in charge of Kotoko legal issues. Onu na ho institutional maybe there are files on players that be a no more fighting on some of these things. The piano. Oh, and sadly, and somebody be bad to please the ears of the supporters. They go the populist way, then say things as if say, wow, who can only more problem. And yet this management too. From then, even Sike who can Sike Diano. Management because Sike go see who what to mean Jeffrey go eventually now we're gonna go patch all the yes management members are always shielding all the kata incompetency so it has happened to Kotoko for years. I think it's about time this current board
they should stop it.
They should stop that thing
because
Kotoko lawyer, the lawyer should work for Kotoko and yes be a management
because management be kono no mo kano board Kotoko ka Sika kuno kano ko no management ne kono o man fa kana nko it remains Kotoko's debt na na amponsa e bayi e ka bia all bobia no if you don't put proper checks on na amponsa obeko e ka ba ba boka ene e ka say Kotoko coach o musaki nansen ai
Zacharias
maso kunadu liability de ba Kotoko say
so what just say I know because
how much so there should be proper case. In fact, my main worry is that I have far too many occasions Kotoko take decision they think they are right Emrano na the Kaba the next time they take a decision time take a decision they'll be thinking that they were taking a decision within the confines of the law Emrano na the Kaba a Kana Santo Kotoko able for the past 1 year no there is no club in Ghana able cut through fine that Santo Kotoko. I
don't think I make Kaba so legal you ungo baby the lawyer will sit management down no of a when you want to take this decision we got the legal implications if I'm him anymore higher this is the way to go you bet in their far now koye sa star na say yempam yiano na ma so kwadu to tena ho no za place go you know or pump place za on pobi de bi on ko pobi o de mo ko anim another thing eba if I place no Jackson says this subim Daniel Nieje yes also planning to take Kotoko to the status committee over his 20,000 Ghana cedi signing on fees. Colin Samuel, yes also monthly salary arrears be and signing on fees. Douglas also says on the Olugabo next week and the verdict crab thing. The same way until I'm going to go and say they want to fight this one. Yes, sir. Said they line one. Ni brother saw Mukono. Na Kotoko the cost to Asante Kotoko will be huge. Now, the other reports say Asante Kotoko breaching the COVID regulations. My teams, no, because of Sarkodie going to the dressing room. Because I heard Sarkodie video, no, and you're going to connect a Diana Stars game, right? Yeah. Because Sarkodie a treaty beside Kotoko game near na developing a Kotoko a commentary, a Kotoko handle, no, a commentary or so and normal man the courtesy to go to the dressing room to meet the players. And sad video, no, you never to Facebook Live. Na yashwe wasem yahwe how Kotoko sanction be come so me just what is asking
na Sarkodie okoyede o the bia we are seen dru a yare
Sarkodie okoyede no me
okay oh well unnecessary we say FNI fine Kotoko oh you right Of finding Kotoko, right? Because we are not in normal times.
But even if finding Kotoko, even when I show the measures that were players who could few.
When say, Mama a third party in my dressing room, when Obuso. Measures in the over dressing room, and more be in COVID-19 status, Emma into the dressing room. Obuso.
Did they seek permission from the match commissioner?
Obuso.
Medical, any safety. First of all, FNO Mr. Safety Security Officer. No.
Exactly.
No, or my who so nya permission free no one sign or qua. Say when nya permission and sign or dia. I mean the FA is right. The FA will be right.
So no problem.
Right, yeah.
In the same way, Lagos Cities Lagos Cities. Jonathan Mensah went to the dressing room.
Absolutely, that's another point. It's not just Kotoko.
Because Jonathan Mensah also did.
Yeah. Jonathan Mensah, a registered member of the club. And he saw no so called no. Say umbe finding Kotoko, finding Lagos Cities. It's as simple as that. Where the case where there, straightforward. And I was say Kumasi Asante got company for you careful kakra wo nyoma bebre ho. The protocols are printed black and white. Me assure so operations and administrative manager Dasuberi Emmanuel and him what it means to flout some of these regulations. Inti so FNU be take a decision. Yeah, it's not just Kotoko. There's evidence of Jonathan Mensah as well. But of course, FNU so or my punishment be ana. And not necessarily punitive punishment. Sometimes it could come in the form of a warning. Enti bo enye de bia na wo se ekoye sikasem ekoye ka.
Dr. Savaje dey say FNU to be fine you bia. FNU come FNU omo na also take up that responsibility. Because say in every match you are supposed to issue passes. Passes may allow bia to go into certain restricted areas. FNU bia bo clubs no say mo na monye. What in nature of it is your product. Yeah,
so that's until me person me who security manager for Seb Stadium bia no you see a team bia security manager be why na no at the stadium o ma Sarko there pass Ben or the man. But of course Chama, let's place it to proper context. Sarko there is a celebrity, you know, and sometimes wa unim Ghana some about this Sarko there ni entourage eba no aka say oh sack na security man no kra hu Sarko there kra no twa selfie now ma Sarko there room but I do not think say when fine beer bet me bemba Kotoko should be a bit careful. Nyoma bebre.
Yani doc me cha no pa me jire sample me doc.
Sample me ba ko vi.
Doc dia banie every say na di gwa Sarko de ko. Confidence sense me de mo na mu and I was signing situation I was say and procedure also be formed to enter the dressing room. What's it Kotoko? FNO, and you guys almost sanction Kotoko.
Because Kofi, my mentor was here for Kofi. The team say one year organizer of any competition or tournament. Oh no, I was said there. Say the World Cup, the Premier League. Is it Premier League? Means so in Premier League. Even me call in a perimeter, me competition so cry. And I dey bottom line is the ball league go baby. Who organize and I passes. If you don't need to coordinate my own, and I'm on the course I was you go a color, you go a numbers, tournament numbers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1 man was said to be a training park and so 2 was said to be a dressing room referee. Every area of the kitchen will code a man was says. You organize another so we are or did maybe you of any part of the stadium no only access to that part. If you go Cambridge and Alcoa, look at the class where I call dressing room. I know it is a pitch and any part, any medical part and I did yeah, still was being now on other areas of Mutiako. If the else you know, and you assign them an to as a baseline for the league, because you know baby. So many a minute and a dear but you know baby, so more as I could me access what point the will be about the money that you with Yako. So many big the promotion, only to find on any basis. No many basis on the fine. So my idea then on the club and Lancashire. Nobody tell me say why never call me special on accommodation. They feel like any rules make court now. And I COVID the national COVID every master rules I am more stringent. Most use COVID as a cover. Now when you don't have the rules and regulations, some use COVID in any panel coordinate timing. Kotoko can challenge that kind easily and win. Because so many people how many foundations that time will be here. It is so many keen about who has access to whatever part of the picture. The strong. Among us are course, like very simple to do.
I would say, any crisis team be allow, you might clubs, any crisis be a third party be and I'll be on your team, will be a red dressing room, will be a young tested for COVID. But there's another argument said that my test COVID, your member friendly matches with teams are going testing home. Your mom coffee, Kodadi, before taxi back.
If we only make sense on COVID testing anywhere else in a league system, because in your critical, you get a legal Kenya. Because who's the blame? They are flouting so many rules. We are very critical after magnifying class. Actually, protocols are step by step, but they will fail miserably. In terms of the moment, but the main point is that almost the third party are going to pay a clear cut. Or you, I didn't have third party. And then I get but they tell you to see you with the dressing room. Kotoko bought him with the dressing room. The Kotoko said, "We need main finance, we need main sponsor. Sponsor the so-called dressing room. Or is that the third party? So your mama and clear. They use words like third party. Who use access codes? Obi odi bola ti bi en into stadium. They are just okay. Again, stadium can go okay. Concept, young talker concept. Okay, access. Backstage, also in your course, I don't know access to the backstage. Who organizes the Diana? Who is access course? Then, and yet, third party, what's third party? Third party, a ambiguous. What is third party? Club make the commission depend on your third party. And I don't think I'm a registered member of the club. And I know you are going to areas, I want to me to see. If you want on your match deal, we determine access point for the OBO stadium, the responsibility to the referee, to match commissioner, to organizers, to stewards, players, a health comfortable would determine where they can go and where they cannot go, but issue them access and place on meeting yako. Without blanket system, no third party could be any they can't find protocol. And then protocol lawyers, if I know my obedience free advice, you can't find them. I don't want that's what they are. They should just caution. So if they are covered, maybe some convention, but make it a law, make it use as a course, no. Areas will be able to could that be a part of the and do it or the economy. Use that one. That's the same with the first. I use all over the world. Nobody issues blanket treatment. Misread, almost all professional, I'm really professional. No, I'm sorry, I can find it.
Doc, is that COVID? Also, there's a guy.
Obviously, I am to you. Could be me chief when I say if I pray. Yes, I say me a cook again.
Politicians no start here campaign now mask election it is very bad. It is very dangerous. We are on the brink. I hear maybe a bit me so Mister, when say put on copy, Mister Mask no the best. Even with vaccine, you need to mission banska the best with the control virus. So, be a moment in mask. We don't be able to also be also mask or be nation to me. As an cannot, I mean, and I know say a lack of fish. And a dog at the back was say, oh, mask now, it was on Kazan.
And I don't know, because obvious, I mean, depending cinema bias. The others will be the judge. Obia action is based on information or Obia more well informed to act properly because only Thomas National, Cassantina Channel. So the Thomas Cassantina or Shamasna, no, or the Castle Masna, so there's on Tiasi. So they came with the whole Casana, and she was one who Banadiana virus. I don't know how much the petition Obit in general with their own time sign. The mask maybe somehow we are so much a time or Casa, not a mobile, not a own thing. The mask may Miss Minay, Miss Adam, Miss Obia, Mombodian mask, and maybe I am going to be the idea, I bet you say, Miss Hiding.
Doc, CP. for Dr. Kofi Asafo J and Yatin and Kano. They say mask. I say you guys are about it. They say mask mandate. They say obvious one hand Jamaji Zamu.
Say I no mo say we cry to me ma Obama.
I mean who are the other say say the mask in here and you better
5 my chicken na. Hey, yare we ma Obama is somewhere there.
And no catch him say no say. And the way the boys no be have say.
Because
Obama dia ye bad. Adia no so there.
Yare no one rapture. I'm saying no rapture no because send the amount for kono weekend just say a hard boys no me am down for Papa Raw wa share ni mami Maxima just say Duke mami just say em say Fiat chiwa ono so just say Sunday we ye kwakoye 1 week just say enya me suspect say COVID no eno rapture no but baby omo kono na minim because ade na hu na yare atumi ma o be ma ye lose there
eso mo recover ina
na o recover no hu bibi sana wa hu bibi asa
na o recover wo hu bibi sa
na hu bibi asa o
okay na this who anya bi on no do ti o ayi amobi andi amobi
Baby, one day because they said they have no ticket. We have them coffee. We mean the Didi. We try the same decks home, but
I don't want more be no man. Oh man, you
so not about fee more. So they know what we did. Did you chance we are not such.
Andy Ray and a kaboom the mommy. Me acquiring me who but every new variant now. There's a new variant now. That's a simple. Me just be at
okay.
Yes. New variant now, but say a year you penny are affected, you know. Now, boys, won't shad you know, which I must know. Because I do bad yet. Come here, you didn't when you throw.
Oh, that be chow. Any France with you.
Jamaican
France who mo. Yariana any flower mo.
I hope your mouth.
What's the new variant now? No,
any France
who will lose suicide.
Yariana dear.
Now, dear, you want to lose suicide. What's the essence of your sorry,
but on the yesterday show.
When Yajma?
Yesterday new.
I did Yajma.
Yesterday new.
Many old men. What do you mean?
When you
I'm about
yesterday New Year show. The first show of 2021. Meka pass COVID-19 case edura 2020 muno. Now less than COVID-19 case edura 2021 mo. The 2021 year no enkoye better sa because you had the bad 2000 cases in a 2021 year 2021 no near over millions of cases.
So say you average 600,000 cases a day.
600
to 1,000 cases
a day. Ghana medical service said an average of 600 cases every single day. Across to bear 10 days, hard to cost to 10 days. We are recording 6,000 cases in 10 days.
You see, I see you snisso I am.
Yes, it's full.
Jack.
So I can't do anything.
Read vitamin C.
Read vitamin C. Well, you can't say when you should tell us. Read vitamin C plus zinc. The dog guys are much. I said the message I said to do you pay I said the Americans all Casado okay. Read vitamin C plus zinc. The eternal say boost your immune system. Inti yam say nyama e dey fight area no. Eye nyama miensa. Number 1, unya nose mask. Ojo dey say the match media. So her live on Facebook. Ojo nose mask. Number 2, no one your original Adonko hand sanitizer. Mr. Obianti. Na the tosumiensa. What you read vitamin C plus zinc. Wey vitamin C and the zinc account. In fact, when you COVID ding no. You want vitamin C and I'm zinc tablet account. It you read in your yabum. Say, ubenya ni mienu nyina. O de tunsium. it dissolve ya after about a minute or two na one na boost your immune system no mesre ye nyina for the serious yellow and orange na dia ba oka be de to do bia busa so pebi on be mobi ana ade ba ko so ne say obi ade ase e ma be ma ye yi de o de hard you
pa
say ade ba ko ma boys in bebre my young boys on my wiring bebre start to share mas den by na say you don't go twice you head of from my
that then I won't change your password. It's our password there. That's
it. You don't phone my I got a whole video no say you give your phone to your wife so wear mask. So say you say the other man say o recover now on your erectile dysfunction.
Wow.
Hey. Whoa. Masa. Peppa kum tu fie. Peppa kum tu fie, for me tu fie. Na start num. Num na ma de num nyadin. Num na ma de nyina so. Eno ano no. Eye Rocket Clinic do am there by friend no. Pakum no. E boy juma se bibi no. Teme so baby eto do bi akwa so Pakum. Oko Alaba Ababu station. Sikko house no try nim ho. Eho na obu Rocket Clinic. Na wetu odie akoton sanso na onse unya yare no nso a esama o temperature rise temperature no so ho ayehyehyehye na oti yo ya nsade no so oti yo ya honam bebia yo ya o feel feverish a draw also open no you find for pain tablet ono for pain na we ni nyina de body sin nyina no kwan ono for pain na e bo ye pa e ma temperature de bia na normal yare bia ntimi ma you for pain syrup crown there and your tablet panyimfo bayaka about say virus no zen semina onum say worms say ade hard pa etima o wa no yare kitobuju won tase obu ho be afinio susu no ko onum bida andi say bia ni wodie pa me hu so o kasa bi ko diwa me krada odidire nam into here trouser 500 trouser no your trouser tablet mpanyimfo de no and a trouser suspension nipa bi achakwa 3 months bia no e wo say odiwemi and your Riddles cough syrup say Riddles junior Riddles adults and Riddles baby so bo wa when you kata when you colder withdraw and so I don't know Achia master e baba life because Valentine's Day no I'm for bedi still that I didn't dey bedi na odu ani tremu awo Safari Gardens the Valentine's Day at Safari Gardens Pa Thomas or Cham Kwame Eugene I say they don't know Cham nam yeah ko on say obeju na oberin sana e bia mienu e modern so omo na kan nyum na nyum kan zawati obi zawati zanyu
yeah mati nyum no pa
be diska club bia mienu modern so okay it's Kwame Eugene ba and a YP and so eba it's the old school versus the new school it's one partner number enjoy honum way brought to you by Adonko Next Level wa be rembiema Adonko Next Level bako as you enter na advance tickets na Air45 Ghana city for single na we kwa the Valentine is any single asem couples the couple near 80 cedis and advanced VIP near 80 cedis and advanced VIP couple no so 150 cedis Baba Gate one ni nyina ne bo no e wo soro e chen away but you be observe all COVID-19 protocols oba share mask oba wash nsa you be sanitize o ansa no room na be ko we bia unya good shoes and ho and Achia master bem no Achia master footwear oyoba oyebema pani akra also unya de Achia master o show na so much papa pan so no Achia master awo patase adwunase road so the ten say odu washing bay na washing bay ni hwani mu no na Achia master ewo for the chemu Achia master so mpabo bia opebia benya bi ho our number is 0244 291 140 0244 0244-391 sorry 0244-391-140 0244-391-140 okay nani acha master edidma Andy
more hostel be a medema PhD students and master students.
Masters and PhD for Ghana.
Yeah. Pay problem be our masters and PhD students. Executive hosteler.
Crowd in Gra. I'm not crowding Gra when PhD interview or going PhD.
Wow.
The catch me them say me trying to
Oh, okay.
Because but we 140 million you go and try.
Executive hostel or Fumesa. I got 2 bedrooms. In fact, hostel no be beer what dining beer no even just say pin cry what dining cry no but kukra ni ha and be beer ni wa Ghana products. Ni na no you from France direct.
Wow.
Yes. Already finished top class executive hostel of Fumesa to PhD and master students. Apartments no come here a complete apartments. I quite say the amount for rent, condos here amount for rent, but basically for students. And to be biawo 2 apartments, PhD student, master students, hosteler was sumbejo proper, danya ye can't danya. Ubetumi a rent here, ubetumi a wajma. Friend number 0544 7758888 0544 7758888.
Okay.
Na beda executive hostel.
Is it because you have still an zikano? Is what cholet come something to come on.
My catch you kwesi apia say okay by this oman panyin so I hot kakra into bed so be woman panyin this time. Me catch you.
Is it sick come to you? Because you have the akem. Coach is akem you know so the akem. Yes, you mean
kwesi apia na was so call president or direct. No ko catch you so man panyin can be mommy. Oh didn't be fa hanu dia usika na ma o.
Hearts of Oak. Caliber Mankwa is 99%.
Caliber Mankwa.
Yes.
Ni agent free takwa ba enano pe ya takwa for so say mediama sika no chama ma menhwe mediama ye 2,000 a month and 40,000 a year na a branch the so a free agent ni ntino sa sika we die mediama ya sure say calibesum until Legon cities na 100,000 5 years 100,000 a year 5,000 Ghana cedis a month
100,000 a year.
Yes, 100,000 Ghana cedis a year.
Na Lagos City for one first for man.
It's 100,000 a year, 5,000 cedis a month. And the story about how to work in the GSM Sanfre agent.
Sanfre because say the other.
I no pay no.
Yes, even Salif Ibrahim. So
Salif Ibrahim, the only club wire enquiries, official enquiries, I want letterhead so. I could peer bechem a Ashanti Gold.
Ashanti Gold.
Yeah.